Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a simple ways on how to fix your keyboard is missing in your device manager here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the start icon. Please make a right click, scroll up and click on the device manager. So from here, you would be able to see a window like this, where here you need to select your computer name and proceed to this option at the top of it, which is action, and go with this option called scan for hardware changes. So eventually it will restart for this and it will scan for hardware changes. Just check if your keyboard is now there. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second method. The second method would be you need to select your computer name again. And from here, click on this view option and scroll down and click on this show hidden devices. So click on it and eventually it will show up your keyboards here. However, if you haven't still seen any, just have to close the window, navigate to the start icon and restart your computer. Yes, you need to restart the computer because in some instances or cases, when you restart the PC, your problem will be fixed. However, if not, then you need to move on to the fourth and last method, and that is here at the bottom search bar, type for control panel. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please proceed on the open option to continue. So in that moment, you would be able to see a window like this. And if your window doesn't look like exactly like this, simply proceed to the upper right side of that. You can see their view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you've set it, navigate to the programs and features, which is in my case being placed at the first row next to mail. So all you need to do is you need to click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see up a window like this. So here you can uninstall or change a program and you would be able to see all of the programs that is being installed here. And at the left pane of that, at the top of that, you can see the torn windows features on or off. So simply click on it and eventually you would be able to open up this small window called Windows Features. So just have to locate for .NET Framework 3.5. Again, select for .NET Framework 3.5 and click on this add icon and make sure that these two are being unchecked. Again, make sure that these two are being unchecked and click on OK. The moment you've clicked on it, restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.